Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Dropbox to organize media for collaborative editing, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log into your Dropbox account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Files section on the left-hand side of the screen. Navigate to the folder where your media files are stored. If you don't have a dedicated folder for your media, create a new one by clicking New Folder. To upload new media files, click the Upload button. You can choose to upload files or entire folders. Select the files you want to add and click Open. Wait for the upload process to complete. Now, to organize your files, consider creating subfolders based on categories. For example, create subfolders for audio, video, or images. Drag and drop the files into their respective subfolders. To share the folder with collaborators, click on the Share button. Enter the email addresses of your collaborators. Choose the permissions you want to grant them, such as can edit or can view. Click Send to share the folder. If your collaborators already have access, inform them about the updated structure. Encourage them to upload their media files into the appropriate subfolders. Regularly check the folder for new uploads and edits from your team. Consider using Dropbox comment feature for feedback on specific files. Familiarize yourself with the version history feature in Dropbox. This will help you track changes made by collaborators. Ensure everyone knows how to navigate the organized folder structure. With a well-organized Dropbox, collaborative editing becomes much smoother. Enjoy the benefits of streamlined teamwork and efficient media management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.